We in the People's National Party understand these things, and that is why we are in favor of effective interventions to deal with youths who are at risk. The next PNP government will ensure there is a well-funded, wide-reaching national program to provide opportunities for vulnerable youths. We must give them a chance to become productive citizens through mentorship, training, remedial education, job placements. We must help them to develop life skills, building their self-esteem and their sense of citizenship. The next PNP government intends to move Jamaica in the right direction. Our concept of progress requires social and economic transformation, not just fiscal discipline. Fiscal discipline is necessary, but is not sufficient. We understand what it will take to achieve higher levels of inclusive and sustainable economic growth to drive national development. It must be built on principles of integrity, inclusion, equity, and justice. We believe that the Jamaican people have the power to make this happen, and it requires the leadership of the People's National Party to take Jamaica forward on this great mission of hope for our people. Time come now.